Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at a full moon high tide, and it is a king tide today, but we've had a lot of rain, and we're gonna see if that's gonna affect our fishing today. I got my wife Katie on board. Let's see if I can put her on a fish. Let's get started. We're off kilter, just a little off kilter. We're going fishing. Let's go. I'm going to be trying out these new Jawbreaker jigs by 43.2 Fishing. This is the 3 ounce. I'm going to be using a 2 ounce. Has a 4/0 mustad hook. We'll give them a try. Right here. I want you to fish right here. See, I just lost a bait. I was down there in less than 2 seconds. Yep. Straight down. You had them on.
I know. Hurry, hurry. You felt big.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think he's on there. Yeah, he is. What you got?
Oh my goodness.
We'll reel him up.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Oh no, you didn't. Pull him out of there.
Oh my goodness. I think it's been years since I caught a sheepshead.
Pull him out of there. That's a pretty one. Good job.
Oh, awesome. Yay, dinner. I'll let you get that out. We gotta do that handshake. I got the first fish of the day.
Of course you did. That's what happens when you bring a woman on board.
I bring good luck. Do you need the
Yeah. Stick.
I mean, I think it's been years since I caught a sheepshead.
16 inches. Look how fat that joker is.
Can I hold him?
Yeah.
I don't want him to. Oh. Alright. So
Good
he
job.
was what? 3.5 pounds?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Let's bait me up again.
You're like, wow, this is easy. This is fun. No. You kidding me? You're joking.
Oh.
You're joking.
Is that a black drum? Oh, yay. That's gonna look so good in my freezer, and my grandmother's gonna love to eat that. That is a beautiful fish. Look at that. Oh, he's drumming. You hear him?
Yeah, let me reel up.
That is so cool. Is that a big one?
That's a decent fish.
Okay. Now I don't have to go to the grocery store for meat. Oh, he's drumming. You hear him?
I do.
That is really cool.
He's 21.25.
Okay.
He's almost 22.
Wow. Okay. Is that a decent sized black drum, Brian?
Yes, dear.
Is it?
Yes, dear.
Oh, no. My sheepshead, get out! Can you get my sheepshead, please? All right. I want to hold up my black drum now. All right. Wow. Oh.
He's on there.
That's a little something. little baby.
Lift him up out of there.
Yeah. Little baby. When's the last time you went out on a fishing trip and you ran out of bait?
I always run out of bait.
You always run out of bait?
That's why we leave. We're out of bait.
Oh, great. That must be so disappointing.
But at low tide, we can get urchins.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I didn't think about that. What?
Your bait's gone.
Is it? Let me check. I didn't feel anything. Oh.
Yeah, keep your thumb on the line.
Oh, okay. You feel it come out?
Well, you feel them thumping it better. So look at my thumb. You can feel the line instead of having to like hold the reel and just feeling like the rod tip. You just keep your thumb right here, and then when you set, push down with this hand and lift with this hand. You know what I mean? Like a lever.
They're down there. Whoa. I'm gonna be down there.
You're gonna be down there.
They're taking my bait. I don't know when to pull out.
That's the trick. There he is.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
What is he?
Nice black drum.
Is it?
Nice black drum.
Whew. Oh, he's going after mine. Ooh, look how shiny he is. So cool.
Well, they've got to be 14 inches to keep.
Okay.
This one is 18 and a quarter.
And they have to be 14?
Yeah.
Okay. The other one was bigger.
Oh, nice one. Yeah, let me get this net. Let me get this net.
Yep.
Oh, it's big sheep. Big sheep. Big sheep.
Wow, look at that. Oh yeah, they're like that.
On that time, look.
Yeah.
Where'd I hook them?
Right
Outside of the
wow.
mouth. Okay. That's a pretty one though.
It is a pretty one. Woo. Oh, it's huge.
Thank you for netting that fish.
Oh, you're very welcome. Yes. You have to have netting skills.
Yeah. 17 and a half.
All right. Well, let him get it ready. I'm just going to tell you that sheepshead was supposed to be mine. He's the one that hit my line earlier.
Sure.
And what did you say about my netting skills?
Top notch.
Right.
Superior.
You should take me out more often.
Okay. Keep out
I'll have
fishing
someone
me.
to net your fish for you.
Hey, keep out fishing me. I ain't gonna bring you back.
Is it blow to your ego?
Teach me your ways,
Well, I mean...
please. Student has become teacher. Well, that's gonna do it for today, guys. We've lost the tide, but the mud crabs on that high tide falling was the ticket, and I was able to put Katie on some fish, which anytime you bring a woman on board, they're going to outfish you. So that's been my experience with it. So, but anyway, We'll see you guys next time. Have a good week.
We're off kilter, just a little off kilter. We're going fishing. Let's go.